Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm taking my car to the car wash, but I'm taking it to the one that they clean both like the inside and the outside. I am more worried about the inside because the inside is really dirty, so I'm gonna go and get it clean. But before that, I have to empty out my car. Like, I bet there's a bunch of empty bottles in there, so I'm gonna go clean out my car real quick, then I'm gonna head out and go get my car clean. I don't even know the direction, but hopefully what I'm thinking is where the car wash is the right place. Yeah. I'm wearing this white dress. I haven't like worn it in a very long time, but yeah, I'm gonna go with this bag. Okay, now I'm ready to go. That's the front. Just so have bottles. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. I've got your shoes in the back seat. Why?
Here you go.
There's not much in the back seat. I'm in the trunk. Okay, so I cleaned my car and we are right now on the way going. I said we because apparently my sister wanna tag along to where I'm going. First, we're going to Tiger Sugar to get boba. Can I get number 1? Extra large. Yeah. Can I get it with extra boba, please? Number 1. Whatever that is over here. And we're gonna go to the car place. I feel like I might have to come back Friday to actually go get it clean, because one, I do not know that place. The thing is, one time I came to Tiger Plus with my friend and he was like, oh, let's go drive around. So when he took me around here, when I saw that car wash place, because I've been there before, but since then I've lost the address to come here, because when I saw that car wash, I was like, I've been here before. So I took a picture, but I don't know where that picture went. So I'm also gonna drive around and hopefully I see the place.
Now look up on maps. Car wash place.
I just did. I actually did look around car wash place, and none of them brings up the like how the place looks like on their photos. And one of them, I thought it would be like that one. It's like 12 minutes away from here, and it's not that one. Plus, the review said, do not ever take your car over here to get it cleaned. So I'm like, what? Yeah. Oh, Abigail got chicken. Oh, this is hot. She got salt pepper chicken. That's how it looks like. And the thing is, it's really salty.
I don't know really, but it's a little salty.
Yeah, but like the pepper is like not on there.
Nah.
So it's like salt chicken. The chicken is good though. It's hot, but like I ate one. I think it was a bad idea because the boba is really sweet and that was really salty. So like the mix was not it. But let's go. Because hopefully that we find that place, and yeah.
Hey, ow!
The one in front of us is so cute. As I was sleeping yesterday, I was listening to this audiobook, and in my mind, I thought I'd pause it when I realized I'm actually not paying attention to the audiobook. But when I wake up this morning, the thought that came to my mind is that you didn't pause it.
So I checked the audiobook this morning and yeah, I didn't pause it, and it literally like saying as if I have listened to all the audiobook, but I haven't. I only listened to chapter 2, which I barely even like got to half of it, and it's 4 chapters, and like one chapter is like 30 minutes ish. But I'm actually slightly pissed because I'm listening to the audiobook on Spotify, and with Spotify they give you 15 hours listen time per month, which is so little. But now that I've wasted, I don't know how many hours that I wasted, it kind of sucks. So like I don't know how many hours that I have left, but now I have to go back and re-listen to it since I didn't really listen to it. I think next week I'll go and get my hair done. Anyways, I'm gonna go shower. Oh. Okay, so I have a little bit more time today, so I think I will eat breakfast before I go to work, which barely happened. So if I have the time today, I'm definitely taking advantages of it. So yeah, I just have to do my skincare real quick. I feel like I'm getting tired of this like high puff. Okay. I got donuts from work. I'm so thankful that they had extras because I'm so hungry right now. It's 2 of them. Oh, and I microwave it. I microwave the donut so it's really soft. bye.